And welcome into the ballpark. Happy to have you with us. MLB The Show brings you Diamond Dynasty Baseball. It's the Tigers taking on the All-Stars. First pitch coming your way next. So almost ready to get underway. And on the mound today, Kyle Wright. What's the word on him?
Well, he comes at hitters with a 5-pitch mix, so for him, it's always interesting to see how he utilizes those weapons. He may lean on 1 or 2 pitches depending on how things are going and how things are working, but if he can control 4 or even 5 of those offerings, look out, hitters. It's going to be a tough day. He's really going to be able to keep those guys off balance.
The 0-2. Swing and a miss, 98 miles per hour on the gun. Now the left fielder. Swing and a miss.
0-1's the count.
That one way inside. One out, base is empty. Headed towards the corner. And a foul ball. That one just missing inside. And the count is 2-2. Swing and a miss. That one in the dirt. Out on the drop, third strike, 2 gone. 2 down, base is empty. Now the third baseman, Isaac Paredes. That one inside, and that is ball 1. And it's fouled away. Rip towards third. Whips it across. And that is that.
Yeah, make a move, make a move, make a move. What it do, what it do, what it do.
And we're back. And towing the slab in this one, Tarek Skubal. What's the scouting report on him?
Great sinker. Although it's not his primary pitch, it's really a pitch that he can go to, misses the barrel of the bat, gets ground balls, and lets the defense work behind him.
Now it's the switch hitting outfielder, Jurickson Profar. That missed by a lot. Ball 1. Profar, who hails from Curaçao, same place that produced Andrew Jones. And a big swing and a miss.
1-1.
It one hops off the wall. Should be extra bases. Safe at second with a leadoff double.
All over that one right there. You'll often hear the phrase short to it, long through it, and that's a great example of it right there. Got the barrel in the hitting zone early, squared it up with the well-timed swing, and came away with a beautiful line drive into center field.
Profar at third with nobody out. And a foul ball makes the count 2-1. And that one fouled off.
I think ultimately, you want to tie him up, get the ball in on the plate so that he can't get the barrel to it and hit it to the outfield.
And ball 4 to a board.
I don't think he really wanted to pitch to him right there anyhow.
And now the center fielder, Cedon Rafaela. Just missed. Runners on the corners, no outs. In the dirt, no advance. Good job behind the dish. There's a strike.
That fastball at the bottom of the zone can be very effective. Just got to keep it on the corners.
And downstairs.
Way to lay off that pitch down.
Little chopper rolls foul. And that'll load the bases.
2 walks in the first has to be some cause for concern. I mean, you're talking about a guy you want to pitch deep into the ball game. It's not going to help with the pitch count right there. They can't afford to hand out free bases at this rate.
Skips in, and excellent work to corral that one. Could have been dangerous. 2 runners in scoring position. Nobody out.
Well, Boog, early on in this one, having a hard time getting settled in. He's not showing control to throw strikes, and let alone to throw it where he wants in the strike zone. This could be a tough one for him.
And they're all loaded up.
Well, that sets up a really big at-bat in this game. These are the moments with everyone.
And welcome in, everybody. Glad you're with us. Diamond Dynasty Baseball on tap tonight. It's the All-Stars taking on the All-Stars. Stepping in, Pete Crow Armstrong. And that's downstairs. And with that, we're underway in Atlanta. And another ball. That's off the inside corner, and that's ball 3. That one misses, so a leadoff walk. And Kyle Schwarber will come up.
That just came apart right there. 4-pitch walk, and guy at the plate was not going to help him out by swinging at something out of the zone.
Runner on the go. High fly ball, pretty well struck out towards right center. Way back there. And it bangs off the top of the wall. He's in there.
Everything came together for him. Just missed out on a home run right there, but he certainly hit it hard enough. Just didn't have the right launch angle to carry it over the wall, but still
dives, but it falls. And now it looks like extra bases. 1 runs in. A second scores as well. Throw cut off, now to the plate. Stuck in a rundown, trying for home now. And he's out. But 2 runs come in on the play. Cal Raleigh will hit next. The bit behind with that swing. It's strike 1.
You know, Raleigh made history in 2023. He had a game with 2 home runs and 6 RBIs, becoming the first catcher in Mariners history to do that.
And that is downstairs. It's a ball and 2 strikes. On the ground, right side. Takes it to the bag, steps on first, and it's out number 2. 2 outs, base is empty. This is Corbin Carroll. And first offering is fouled off. Schwellenbach, 24 years old, and he was a second-round pick in 2021. Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock. And that keeps the inning alive.
Oh, that'll make you feel good as a hitter right there. Just a simple ground ball the other way. They had eyes on it, man. Sometimes that's all you need to do. Just let the ball travel, put the ball in play, and just hope it finds a hole.
Strike 2.
He has a tendency to chase out of the zone, and that slider that's down, that's one of his...
Rudder takes off. Pitch misses. And that's a stolen base. Not even close. Carroll at second with 2 down. Off the mark there. 2-2. And there's a ball. Swing and a miss, and he struck him at the plate. Jurickson Profar. That's outside, and it's 1-0.
Well, after putting up a nice inning on offense, got some runs across, this is where you look for the starter to go out there, have a shutdown inning. Don't give that other team any hope. You just hope that he can get through this inning, get the bats back up there while they're hot.
Carroll makes the catch, and there's 1 down. Ozzie Albies up to the plate. Singy's currently the team leader in runs batted in. That one in the dirt, and that's ball 1.
1-0.
1 out, base is empty. And a foul ball. And now 2 balls and a strike. And that's fouled off. 1 down, base is empty. Swing and a ball hit out towards left center field. He's got it, and there's 2 away. Ceddanne Rafaela digs in now. That's in there, and that is strike 1.
Man, that pitch was dotted. So much talent on display when this guy's out there on the hill.
2 outs, base is empty. That misses the zone. 1-2 to count.
See if you can go upstairs a little bit. Make sure you miss up and out of the zone since you're heading to count 1-2. Don't miss in the zone because that's where you can get hurt.
There's a swing and a drive. And a base hit. And that means Matt Olson will have a chance to hit. And into second easily with a 2-out double.
Still able to come through behind in the count right there. Everything was on time and fluid in that swing. Got a pitch he could get the barrel on and lined it into center for the knock. Those always feel good.
And the batter now, Matt Olson. Tosses to first, and that is that. Back here in Atlanta, now it's the shortstop, Gunnar Henderson. Schwellenbach back to work. That's a bullet, but it goes foul. The wind of the pitch. Swing and a pop-up. Foul territory for the catcher. Trump makes the grab, one away. And now the first baseman, Adam Dunn. Obviously a guy who makes good contact, hits for average, but one of the things in today's game, the value in the fact that he hits both righties and lefties. They're so reliant on the matchups nowadays, Chris, and it's huge when you don't have to sit a guy or platoon him.
When you can hit, both sides in terms of pitchers' arms, you're a guy that it's hard to take out of the lineup, and I think it's very important today when everything is under the microscope.
One down, base is empty. Pitch misses there, and the count's even at 2. Started to swing, held up. And he hits a ground ball right side, and that one handled. Sends it to first. 2 up, 2 down in the top of the second. 2 down, base is empty. Here's O'Neal Cruz. And first offering is fouled off. In the air, pretty deep out to center field. Rafaela has this one sized up. Brings it in for the 3rd out. Bottom of the second, and here is Ronald Acuna Jr. A swing and a miss, and that's strike 1.
Well, at that velocity, if that's all you're seeing, 88, you can handle that all day long. That's what you get in batting practice. But off the velocity of the fastball, that is a very tough pitch to adjust to.
Lined, and that's a base hit. So a runner aboard to start the inning.
I could watch base hits like that one all day long, and so could every hitting coach in the league. Just a nice line drive into center field.
Drake Baldwin at the plate now as he chases after that one. And strike 2. Popped in the air, left side. Hauls it in, 1 away.
Well, that's what he's looking for with the fastball above the zone. A swing and miss or weak contact.
And here is Xander Bogaerts. And the first offering is not close. And he dives in ahead of the tag. Acuna leads off first with 1 away. Grounded to third, could be 2. Quickly to second for 1. Relayed it, done. In time, inning-ending double play. And welcome. Back to the ballpark. Here's the left fielder, Pete Crow Armstrong. Line drive. That's a base hit out into left center field. And the leadoff man aboard.
Couldn't have timed it up any better than that. Anytime you rip a line drive the other way, you
runner on the go. Swing and a ground ball. Olson takes it to the bag. No chance at the double play with the runner in motion. And now it's going to be Ellie De La Cruz. Runner breaks for third. Bunting, but that's a foul ball. One out and a runner at second. We're here in the top half of inning number 3.
So here's a fun note on Ellie. He became the youngest player in high A ball.
Runner goes again. In there for strike 3. Throw, save. That's a stolen base. And now the catcher comes up to him. Cal Raleigh. Hit on the ground to the right side. Throw on to Olson. And that is that. Back at Truist Park, leading off, Chipper Jones. Pitch is in the dirt, and that's ball 1. Swings through that one for strike 1.
I wouldn't throw him another breaking ball. Try to go again with the fastball, slightly elevated. He just is having a hard time catching up.
The 1-1 is fouled off. Keeps the at-bat going with a foul ball. Off the outside edge, and now the count is 2-2. Next offering is outside. Foul ball, and it remains a full count. Good job to fight that one off.
Well, he's having a tough time getting a pitch by him. As a hitter, you feel pretty confident that you're seeing different pitches still able to make some type of contact.
On its way to the corner. And that drops foul. Got him. He battled for a long time, but it finishes with a strikeout. You can't be mad at yourself after an at-bat like that one. Now, Chadwick Trump. Outside, ball 1. Late with the swing there.
Well, you got to find a way to catch up to that pitch. Perhaps shorten the swing, eliminate the stride. That one came in hot, but right down the middle, you're saying to yourself, how did I miss that pitch? Got to make a quick adjustment.
Strike 3, and that's 2 in a row. Back to the top of the lineup. Here's Profar now. That one fouled off. 2 down, nobody on. And that one is lifted in the air. Carroll hustling after it. He's got it. And that is out number 3. And we're back. And the batter now, Corbin Carroll. This is a true 5-tool guy. Not very many of them out there, but when he's on the field, you can't take your eye off of him. Swing, and that ball smashed on a line. Makes the catch, and a quick out, number 1. Now it's going to be Junior Caminero. He was a strikeout victim his first time. Sliced hard but foul. Caminero goes 6'1", just 21 years old, and he was born in the Dominican Republic. Popped up, foul territory behind the plate. Trump makes the grab. 2 down. 2 outs, base is empty. And the batter will be the shortstop, Gunnar Henderson. Oh, can't pick it up cleanly. Gets off a throw. And it's a 1-2-3 inning. Back here in Atlanta. And here comes Ozzie Albies to the dish. First pitch swinging.
Well, these guys, as this game goes on, have to be more disciplined at the plate. So many of their outs have come from weak contact on pitches they're chasing outside of the strike zone. You can't do much of anything with those locations, and that's been true again today.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Up the middle, Caminero. Handles, throws to first, and 1 gone to the 4th as they get the leadoff man. So up next, Ceddanne Rafaela doubled his first time. He was late there, strike 1.
He's pitching well, but not throwing a ton of first pitch strikes. Usually doesn't work out for success, but you can never predict baseball.
Next offering misses, and the count even 1-1. Worm burner into the outfield for a knock. So they get a man aboard with a 1-out single. And now it's Matt Olson's turn to hit. This one ripped, but foul to the right. And the 0-1. Swing and a miss. That's the sweeper.
Another 0-2 count right here. Pitcher just in the driver's seat. He can go anywhere he wants to go right here.
Cole Armstrong running hard to get it. Reaching for it. Makes the catch. Here's Acuna now. 1 for 1 with a single so far. And that one fouled off.
Well, if he's going to steal second, you want him to go early in the count. That way he's not a distraction to the hitter at the plate. Go ahead and get it out of the way so the hitter can focus on the pitch.
Runner on the move. And that's a base hit. The throw to third. Not in time. He's safe.
That's back-to-back singles for him. I don't know how he's able to shoot that pitch the other way and still put something on it. That pitch was inside, and he let it get really deep. So pretty incredible hands to fight it off and still get good wood on it.
Now a move being made for a pinch hitter, Austin Riley.
Man, it must be nice to pull a superstar off your bench, huh?
Rafaela, the runner at third. Acuna at first. 2 out of the inning. That's off the mark, and it's 1-1. And that is out of play. Lefty out of the stretch. Runners at first and third. Knocks that one away, and we'll do it again.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
And that one hit 97 on the gun. Foul. We'll see another payoff pitch. 8th pitch of the at-bat coming up. On the ground right side. Throw over to Dunn. And he has thrown 4. And welcome back to the ballpark. Digging in, Adam Dunn.
Well, you got to give him credit out there on the mound. This outing started off a little shaky, but he's found a way to settle in and turn.
Swing, and this is ripped down the right field line. Way back there. Out of here. He made him pay for that one. It's 3-0. Now at the plate, O'Neal Cruz. He's 0 for 1. Ground ball, Olsen. He steps on the bag, and that's the first out. Nice recovery after giving up the homer. So the batting order turns over. Now the left fielder, Pete Crow Armstrong. Foul ball there. Swing and a pop-up. Foul out of play off to the right side. That'll find the stands. And it's fouled off. They'll do it again. And a foul ball. He stays alive.
Also really good at bat. What I like about this guy, his bat stays in the zone for a long time. Gives him the ability to foul off tough pitches.
One out, base is empty, and a run in, and we're at the top of the fifth. Out towards right center field. Rafaela should have this one. Corrals it. 2 away now. 2 down, base is empty. Kyle Schwarber comes up to hit here. Singled and scored back in the first. He's 1 for 2. That one misses. 1-0. Just missed.
Well, they gave up the home run earlier in this inning, not pitching as aggressively here.
Just missed. And that one fouled off. Next offering is in for a strike.
Helpful.
Two outs. On the ground to first. And foul ball. In the air, center field. Rafaela sizing this one up. And that'll do it. Ready to go for the last half of the inning. And now Xander Bogaerts. Crochet back to work. That one hammered center field. Makes the catch, 1 down. Next to hit, Chipper Jones. Drilled out towards left center field. That's back there. You can kiss it goodbye. And they're on the scoreboard. It's 3-1. Here's a catcher to hit. Chadwick Trump struck out swinging his first time. So now a pinch hitter, Sean Murphy. Fouled off down the right side. 1 run across in the frame so far. Last half of inning number 5. Next offering upstairs.
I got 1 ball, 1 strike.
Fouled off. He was late. Fouls it off. Still 1-2. Swings and misses on the fastball up in the zone for the strikeout. So the lineup flips over. Digging in is the switch hitting outfielder, Jurickson Profar. 0 for 2 in this one. Profar gets a piece there. Into left center for a base hit. And that keeps the inning going.
Now back, second baseman.
Here is Ozzie Albies up to hit. Base hit. Throws to second. Caught in a rundown now. And he's out. Cut down, and that ends. Back at Truist Park. All right, we go to the top half of inning number 6. And the batter now, Ellie De La Cruz. Pitch misses inside, and it's 1-0.
You can feel the extra attention on Ellie anytime he comes to the plate. This guy's a player that keeps you on the edge of your seat because you don't know what he's going to do next. He can hit for power, steals bases. He can throw the ball 100 miles per hour across the infield. He's electric.
Swing and a ground ball base hit right field. Man aboard on the leadoff single.
Showed some really nice patience in that at bat. Worked himself into a good count. He kind of rolled over on this pitch a little bit, but he got enough behind it to shoot it through for a knock. And you'll take that anytime you can get him to find a hole. Well, these players doing a good job of putting the ball into play, and that makes things more challenging on the defensive side. The numbers tell us they're averaging more than a hit every inning, and they've only struck out.
Ellie on the move. Hit in the air, left field. Profar in position. He's got it, and there's one down. Now it's the right fielder, Corbin Carroll. 1 for 2. First pitch misses.
This is one of those situations the infielders have to
Dylan Lee on the pitch here.
Just trying to keep this one close here.
Runner takes off, and there's a foul ball. Man at first, one away. Bounding ball here, rolls foul. Runner on the go again. On the ground to the left. And that squirts through. Headed for the plate. The throw in. Safe at the plate. And they lead by 3.
Well done. Drives in the run. Not much to this one other than just a willingness to go the other way and put the ball in play. That's a team at bat right there. Nice job of staying back and letting the ball get deep.
Here's the pitch. Runner on the move. Yeah. Swing and a miss.
No balls, 2 strikes.
In the air to left center. Profar has a beat on it. He's there. He's got it. Runner tags from third. He scores on the sac fly. It's 5-1. Here's the shortstop at the plate. Gunnar Henderson. That's towards center. Makes the grab, and that'll end the inning. And we're back. Bottom of the 6th. Here's the center fielder, Ceddanne Rafaela. And ball 1.
You know, this group of hitters, digging into their numbers, have to be happy with the swings they're taking. We've already seen 8 line drives from them, and it's always a good sign when the ball is jumping off your bat. And that's what this offense has been doing so far today. Having himself a really nice game at the plate. Wasn't able to elevate that one, but he sure hit it hard enough to get through the infield. There's not a whole lot of time for the defenders to react and try to make a play when it's ripped like that.
Olsen now in the box. Comes up empty with a swing there.
Now these guys definitely looking for a big swing.
Runner on the go. And it stays fair. Coming home. He'll score. Safe at second.
Good 2-strike hitting right there, Boog. A bit of a lost start for some, so that was nicely done to beat the odds. I really like that swing, man. He didn't just push it the other way through the infield. He drove it that way, and it kind of makes me think he was thinking opposite field as he stepped into the box. Got a pitch he liked, and he got it done.
Next one misses. 2-1.
2 balls, 1 strike.
Base hit. That was smoked through the infield. The run comes in from second. It's 5-2.
Puts a run on the board and picks up an RBI. Got the top of the ball a little bit, but not much. That was hit pretty hard through the infield, so I think he'll be happy with that swing. Definitely generated some good bat speed.
And there's one down.
Good hard fastball up in the zone right there. They look really good coming in, but so hard to get on top of as a hitter.
Here's Xander Bogaerts. Swing and a ball lifted left field. Makes the grab, and there's two away. Now here is Chipper Jones. He's already homered in this game. Ball one there.
Well, triple digits on the gun. I know there are more pitchers that can reach that now than in the past, but it's still impressive to watch.
Carroll makes the grab, and that is that. All set for the start of the inning. And here's the first baseman, Adam Dunn. Ground ball right side. Albies throws to first in time. And they get the leadoff hitter in the seventh. And now the center fielder, O'Neal Cruz. Puts it in the air out towards left center. No trouble here. Puts it away for the out. And there's two down. Two outs, base is empty. Here's the left fielder, Pete Crow Armstrong. Lee, 30 years old now, and he was a 10th round pick back in 2016. Swinging a drive, deep right field, back there. And that one is off the wall. Not stopping, he's going for three. He's not stopping, on his way home. And he's out.
Right there.
Cut down, and that ends the inning. Back here in Atlanta, here's Sean Murphy. Slap the other way, foul. Hammered, base hit. And that'll bring the tying run to the plate.
He was all over that one. Just a solid swing right there. Caught it out front and ripped it into the outfield for the base hit. Those always feel great.
Carroll hustling after it. Makes the grab, one down. Ozzie Albies now at the plate. Outfield deep here, trying to prevent anything over their head.
Now this team is definitely looking for a big swing of the bat right here. Try to close that gap. But, you know, at the very least, if you could find a way to manufacture that run from first, it feels like it's really important to getting back into this ball game.
Steps on the bag for one. Tag out at second. It's a double play. And just like that, the inning is... And welcome back to the ballpark. We go to the eighth. Now the number 2 hitter, Kyle Schwarber. Lee back to work. Pitch misses. Ball one. On the ground right side, and that's just foul. Out towards left center. Profar squeezes it, and there's one down. Next to hit, Ellie De La Cruz. They hand the ball over to a new arm, Jesse Chavez.
Pretty tight game, so they're looking for quality pitches out of him right here. Got to do his best to keep the score right where it is.
One down, base is empty. Hammered down the right side, but foul. De La Cruz checks his swing, appeal to third, and he held up. Foul tip straight back, and that squared him up in the mask. That didn't feel good. Line drive, caught.
That'll drive you crazy as a hitter if you let it. I mean, He couldn't have hit that ball more on the screws than he did, and yet he's got nothing to show for it. Hang with him. I know the feeling.
2 down, nobody on. Swing and a ground ball towards first, but foul. And it finds its way through for a hit.
Now batting, right fielder, Corbin.
So a man at first. Corbin Carroll, the next to hit. And he swings and misses at the initial offer.
0-1.
Swing and a foul back, and that's out of play. Raleigh off of first with 2 away. Back to the mound. He's got it. They get the force, and the inning is over. Back at Truist Park, bottom of the 8th. And here is Ceddanne Rafaela. That one at triple digits.
He can live up in the zone all game if hitters will chase it. That's just too much velocity. Hitters got to look down in the zone.
Slice to right, and it stays fair.
Well, he found himself behind in the count right there, but he didn't give in. Nice job of driving that pitch the other way on a line. You know, hitters, they take so many reps in the cages working on going to the opposite field, and it doesn't always translate into the game, but right there it did, and he did it perfectly.
With the tying run at the plate, here the bottom half of the 8th inning. Done. Throws to Henderson. And the home fans sit down following the Twin killing. 2 away in the 8th. And a swing and a miss.
This guy's pounding the zone. Hitters don't have time to think in between pitches.
De La Cruz tosses across to first. Inning over. And we're back. Here's the second baseman, Junior Caminero. That's hard hit on the line. Stretches out and hauls it in. And now the shortstop, Gunnar Henderson. 0 for 3 in this one. Hit pretty well in the air out to center. Rafaela under this one. Pulls it down, and there's 2 gone. Now here is Adam Dunn. He's already homered here in this one. So the closer summoned from the bullpen, Kenley Jansen. He's into the game with the bases empty. Fastball is outside. And a ground ball to first, and it goes just foul. Swing and a miss. Ugly swing right there.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Got it. And it's a 3-up, 3-down inning. Bottom 9. Here's Austin Riley. That's off the mark, and that's ball 1. Hauls it in for the out. And here comes Sander Bogaerts. And first offering is fouled off. Next offering is fouled back. Base is empty, 1 away. We're in the last half of the 9th inning. Foul ball, it stays 0-2. Foul ball left side. He'll see another.
Well, he's desperately looking for that swing and miss. He's going to have to just change speeds a little bit, try to move it around, create just a little bit of illusion at the end.
One down, base is empty. And now 1 and 2.
Really good take, especially with 2 strikes.
Fouled off, and they'll do it again. One and two here. De La Cruz fires over to first. So they get the out after a long battle at the plate. So they're down to their final out. And here is Chipper Jones. Swing and a ball popped up. Ball game. A 5-3 final score in this one. For Chris Singleton and our entire outstanding crew here at MLB The Show, I'm John.
The green